Alright, back in the shop. Jackie's desk, part 5, I guess. Yesterday we assembled the cabinet. I'm doing a lot of sanding. Everything's looking pretty good. I manufactured the trays that hold the tilting mechanism, as well as serve as the mounts for the full extension door glides. One thing you notice here is there's a 3/8 groove down this board with a hole. What that is going to be a gutter. So there's going to be a tilting table on this side, a fixed table on this side. The seam will rest right over the top of this, so if any water spills on the countertop, it'll go in that seam and drain right to the floors. I guess that's important when you have a 5-year-old that's going to have this desk. Drawer boxes today are going to be made with Jeff's new toy, this quarter cable Omni-Jig, and we'll see if it works. I have a quarter cable. It's a POS Harbor Freight that I really hate. So we'll see how this works out. And if I really like it, I'll buy my own, or I'll get the older version, which has the variable fruit dovetail templates, but they no longer manufacture that one. So that's it for today.